With a great taco blend comes great responsibility. In a bowl, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Mexican chili powder. If you can't find Mexican chili powder, you can just substitute regular chili powder. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano or oregano if you're in the UK, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. I prefer to use hot paprika, but you can also use sweet if you like. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and my secret ingredient, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Give this a good mix and press on any lumps from the garlic and the ginger powders. This batch can be bottled and stored in an airtight container, and it'll yield about 7 tablespoons. Enjoy!